bestie, welcome back to my channel, Molalo Nails. Today we are diving into the world of abstract nail art. Get ready to be inspired as we create some unique and eye-catching designs that are perfect for expressing your inner artist. Yes, your inner artist. For this look, we will be working with a cool palette of light blue, gray, yellow, black, and white. We will be using these colors to create abstract designs with an almond or stiletto shape of your liking. I use gel colors from Msoo, my favorite girl. Hey girl, hey Msoo. Follow along, you'll be needing a UV lamp to cure your gel polishes and a fine nail art brush and like a little saucer to dab the colors in. Okay, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching to see how I created this look, and please, pretty please, like and subscribe for more fun videos, for more nail art. Thank you for your support, bestie. Thank you.